Hi, good morning. Good morning. Today I have this. It's a Volvo. It's a Volvo V40, 2-liter Volvo V40 2016. Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Okay, basically, it's like that. Yeah, when you release the blade. Yeah, and then if you turn it around like that. Yeah. And then the lever is here, okay, and then you just use the screwdriver to pop the cover off, and then the battery is in there. All right, okay. First, we release the key blade, okay, key blade out, and then you see the lever here. If you push it down, push it down like that. Use the screwdriver, yeah. Insert the screwdriver in there, and then you just push it up like that. You see, you push it up, and then use the smaller screwdriver to push the button up. You see, when you push the button up, it go up like that. See, the button will go up like that. See, and then if you turn around, the battery is in there. Okay. And then just use this small head screwdriver to prise the battery out. Here we go. Here we have it's slightly bigger than normal battery. It's CR20 2430 CR2430. Yeah. Okay. To replace the battery, put it back in like that. Push it down, and then just line it up. Line it up, make sure it's lined up here. Line up, you just push it down. You just push it down like that. It's very, very simple. And then once it's down, and then puts the key blade back on. You see? Okay. This is a Volvo V40, yeah. Volvo V40 2016, yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.